Okay, looks like my check engine light came on. So now I'm gonna use my BlueDriver app. This is the OBD2 scanner that I use. It's for BlueDriver. It's about $100. I'm using the app. The app is free. There's no monthly service, and I pretty much turned it on, scanned my card. This is the code it gave me. Here's the screenshot just to show you guys more clearly. So based on the code, the P0455 code, I have to replace this guy. So it actually gives you three options. So it says the gas tank cap is loose, the Purge Control Assembly, I guess, and then there's one more, which is I'm gonna put it on the picture on the screen, but normally it's this one and the other one in the rear. The tank, this car doesn't have a gas cap, so this would pretty much be the first one that I would try to fix. It's the exact same one, and then I'm gonna replace this, and hopefully that check engine light just come off. So I'm gonna just put this to the side here, this too. Oh, I'm gonna have to try to take this one off first. Oh, let me do that first. Unfortunately, these clips already broke, even on this side, so it's not holding it in place. So that sucks. But now I have to do this. So unplug the power, of course. Unplugged. Couldn't get it out with my nails, so I'm gonna have to pop this open a little. It's barely holding on. So I'll pop this one out. And then once you get that, you push it be easier. So that one's pretty easy. You just unplug it from the back, it just slips in. But again, the issue is I'm trying to take this guy off. Once you remove this top cover here, it typically holds it like this. So you just pop this out, it's pretty easy. And then there's another little, like, I don't know what the name is, but there's a little leather white part right there. And you have to pretty much open it so it could unclamp the nipple, I guess you could say. So like so. So I have to do one side, now I have to do the other. And I'm using a screw. There it goes, all right. So it's a little tricky, but you pretty much have to pull these out. Okay, there. So you have to pull this white one off all the way, I guess. So you pull these out outward. So this one out, and then the other one out. Okay, like so. So these two things need to be pulled out as well. This is what makes it hard for it to come out. So red one on top. First the red one comes off, and then these white ones that go through there, which hold the nipple in there, hold it really sucked in, I guess. Pretty much, I would be careful not to grab this part, just grab from here, and it's gonna be a little stuck, especially on these older 2014, 2015 model Jeep Grand Cherokees. This little part just gets, it's a little dry, this little area. So it was kind of hard, but all I did was grabbed it and just wiggled it out and it came out. So this is the old one that's not good. Yeah, pretty much. And it's the same one, it's Chrysler. It says Continental. So I just got lucky at AutoZone by them not having the Duralast one, so they had to give me this one for the same price. So super lucky. All right, and then process is just repeat, replace, push it in all the way. If you have little tiny cracks on here, I recommend putting tape. I'm probably gonna just do it anyways, just to be on the safe side. This one goes in the back, very easy. Let me see. And there's already a nipple here. Hopefully you guys can see it right there. This one, you're just gonna pop it in. Pretty easy, self-explanatory, I guess. Pop it in there. I guess this is the old one. Pop in this one. There it is. Yep, pop it in there, right there, and there. Good, and then plug it in. So this is the one that's giving me a hard time. There it is. Now I need to find the red one because I think it fell. But yeah, put the red one, plug it in. That's it, done. Took about, honestly, this all took about 5-10 minutes. It's just me figuring out, it took me longer, but maybe 5 minutes to do the whole thing. Just be careful. Like I said, do not grab this when you're yanking it. Grab this piece when you're yanking this part off. This piece only, not this one. This one will crack. I would put tape if you have an older model like mine. And yeah, that's about it, man. So I need to figure out how to get the other little thing out. everything I used today with the BlueDriver OBD scanner and the app, which is also free. The app is free, of course. There's no monthly charge. You just pay a one-time price for the BlueDriver OBD scanner. I'm gonna give you guys Amazon links below in case you guys want to get it, including the camera equipment I used today, which is my iPhone 13 Pro and a GoPro headband, wide mode. That's it. Hopefully it turns off. I'm gonna give you guys, there's almost 2 or 3 solutions for this. If this doesn't make the code go off on the check engine light, then you need the evap leak is coming from the back behind the driver rear tire. There's another canister there. You would need to replace that one too. And if that's not the case, then one of the lines is probably cracked along the way, and I would just double check that. But for the most part, it's either this one or the canister in the back. But that's it, man. Hopefully you guys like this video. Hit like if it was helpful in any way. This costed 33 bucks on AutoZone. Subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, and save your money. Don't go to the dealerships and they're going to charge you like $500-600 just for this. Thank you for watching. Peace.